Well, it's not great news, I'm afraid.
Backwards?
Backward.
I had 3 quotes back for the car park.
Yeah.
The first one is...
Oh, say it.